It's a very emotional experience, and it was a great honour to present the new Defenders to the world. It's a great honour to actually represent all the many people that have worked tirelessly to bring this very important vehicle to production, to reality. These vehicles, they are the toughest and most capable Land Rover Defenders ever made. So we have a three-door. And when you look at it, it has an instantly recognisable silhouette. But that silhouette is very much a modern interpretation of the originals. And its proportion is optimised to achieve a well-balanced design, while also with its short, minimal overhangs and high sill, supreme all-terrain capability. So it's design and engineering together. A lot of very careful consideration has gone into this design to reinforce Defender, the new Defender's unique DNA. When you look at the face, and it's the same for the 90 and the 110, it has a characterful face. It communicates strength and confidence. Simple, reductive, modern grille, bumpers, and very also simple geometric forms for the front lamps, which are highly technical. Beautifully sculpted fenders that run the whole length of the body. And then when you look at the rear, it's that verticality that's most prominent. And that's been done to minimize this overhang, because that's what capability is all about. At launch, there'll be different versions. We have the first editions, and we also have X Dynamic. And these vehicles on display here, you'll see they're all presented in a satin finish. Now that was the intent right from the beginning, because the satin finish communicates the solidity and the durability of this vehicle. Well, I think the important thing was we recognise the unique history of our brand. We recognise the uniqueness of the Defender, that over time it has acquired iconic status. But at the same time, this vehicle is designed for a new generation. And I think it was important to recognise the heritage but not be harnessed by it. You know, there was no point doing a retrospective facsimile of the original, because it wouldn't be relevant anymore. But I think the car does, and I hope our Land Rover, traditional Land Rover enthusiasts can see it. We have acknowledged the essence of the original Defender, and that comes through, is projected through the honesty of the design.